Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a downloaded map on OrganicMaps and remove maps that you no longer need from your device. First, open the OrganicMaps app. Once the app is open, tap on the menu option to open the main menu. Now look for Download Maps and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the countries and regions that you have downloaded for offline use. Go through the list and find the map that you want to remove. If you have downloaded multiple regions, make sure you select the correct one before deleting it. Now, simply swipe the map towards the left side. You'll see a delete option appear on the screen. Tap on Delete. The selected map will now be removed from your device. This can also help free up storage space if you have downloaded maps that you no longer need. Keep in mind that deleting a downloaded map only removes the offline map from your device. You can download the same map again later whenever you need it. And that's how you can delete a downloaded map on OrganicMaps. This video is made for educational purposes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more useful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.